Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Pop. Today I'm super excited to be at the Dino Ranch. The Dino Ranch is the ultimate playground. It's a working farm and dinosaur sanctuary. It's home of the tight-knit Cassidy family. There's John and his speedy velociraptor Blitz, Min and Clover, who's the gentle and lovable Brontosaurus, and there's Miguel and Tango, a mighty Triceratops. I wonder what they're doing. Guys? Hello? Yoo-hoo! Dinos! I'm over here. Finally! Hi! What are you guys doing huddled over there? I think Clover's trying to tell us something. What's up, buddy? Whoa! A dinosaur egg is hatching. It looks like a baby Brontosaurus, like Clover. Brontosauruses can have anywhere between 1 and 3 eggs. Much like birds and reptiles, all dinosaurs are born from eggs. This baby dinosaur is almost fully hatched.
Clover! Blitz! Tango! We need you over at the compy pen! They've escaped again! Hurry!
Uh-oh, the compies again. Looks like you 3 gotta run. Don't worry, I'll look after the baby dino.
Clover! Blitz! Tango! Are you coming? We need you!
Go ahead, guys. I got this. All right, buddy. I'm here to take care of you. What do you guys think we should call him? We could go with something simple, but still cute, like Blue. Let's call you Blue. Blue's egg has a bunch of molds on it. Let's fill them in while we wait for him to hatch. I have these 2 Play-Doh eggs. The purple one has purple Play-Doh, but let's see what's in the green one. It's yellow and green Play-Doh. Let's use all 3 colors to fill the molds. Check it out, I'm all done. Brontosauruses have really long necks. Let's grow his neck using the extruder. I'll need more Play-Doh so he's really tall. Their long necks help them reach the leaves in the trees. They're herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Let's decorate his neck. I'll use both green and yellow for this. Now I'll add some yellow spots. That looks awesome! Let's check out the molds we made. I'll fill in his tail with some yellow stripes too. I think he's ready to hatch. He did it! Wow, there's more mold on him. Let's fill it in. Blue looks amazing! Welcome to the world, baby Blue! How are you feeling? Oh, I think he's calling his friends! Here they come now! Blue is in safe hands at the Dino Ranch. It's an amazing sanctuary for dinosaurs. I know he'll make lots of friends here and be very happy. Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Pop! Today I'm super excited to be at the Dino Ranch. I'm here babysitting the dinosaurs while the family's out for the night. We have Clover, Tango, and Blitz. I'm in charge of getting them washed up and ready for bed. I've wrangled them into the tub and now it's bath time. Let's rinse them off. Now use shampoo to wash them. Let's give them a good scrub. Time to rinse it off before we use the conditioner. I'll leave the conditioner in for a while I scrub their bodies with some soap. This is going to get them squeaky clean. One final rinse and they're all done with the bath portion. Let's move on to dental hygiene. It's really important that we keep their teeth clean. You guys could definitely use a floss. Dinosaurs have different teeth depending on if they're herbivores, like Tango and Clover, or if they're carnivores, like Blitz. Herbivores have flatter teeth to grind up plants, and carnivores have sharper teeth so they can rip up meat. Now brush their teeth with some toothpaste. Now that they're all squeaky clean, let's get them out of the bath and dry them. I'll use a towel first, and then I'll use the hairdryer to speed up the process. There we go! Now you're all ready for bed. Good night! You're not ready to sleep? Alright, how about a bedtime story then? I have this book called Wild Dino Roundup. You may be familiar with the characters because you are them. So just lay back and relax while I read you a story. On the front cover, we have Miguel riding Tango the Triceratops. John is on Blitz the Raptor, and Min is on Clover the Brontosaurus. On the back it says, draw, play, learn with this fun-filled storybook. Use the water pen to reveal hidden surprises around the Dino Ranch. Get ready, Rancheroos! It's time to go on a wonderful adventure. Come along and uncover watery dinosaur secrets on the Dino Ranch. Use the water pen to reveal dino-tastic surprises in the story. Once you've decorated every page of the book, let it dry and then do it again. Let's check out the pen. So to fill the pen, we just unscrew it, and then we add water and screw it back on. Give it a few seconds so the water can soak into the pen tip before you start coloring. Now that we know what the book is about, it's story time. Ooh, what's on this page? Howdy there, partner. Wrangling dinos is a full-time job, Some jobs you cannot do alone, and that's what family is for. It is a good thing that the crew down at Dino Ranch is one big family. Give the Dino Ranchers a hand with your Water Wonder pen and learn what it's like to spend a day herding dinos. Let's reveal the Water Wonder spots. Oh, we have a rope to wrangle and lasso. And here's a bucket to water the dinos. There's John and Blitz. It's Velocity time! John is the ranch's dino trainer in training. John rides Blitz, a velociraptor, one of the fastest dinosaurs of all. It's Min and Clover. Min's very caring, which is why she's in charge of making sure all the dinos stay healthy. With the help of her Brontosaurus Clover, this dino doctor is here to make a dino difference. It's Miguel and Tango. Miguel loves building things, and Tango the Triceratops loves smashing things, so every day is dynamite. All three of these siblings and their dino besties work together to help the Dino Ranch run smoothly. What's John and Min up to on these pages? One of the Dino Ranchers' most trusty tool is their lasso, a rope they can use to catch ordinary dinosaurs. Use your pen to reveal the dinosaurs John has caught with his lasso. John wrangled the Compsognathus, or Compy for short. They're among the smallest and fastest of dinosaurs. They're about the size of a chicken, and these feathered friends are covered in a duck-like down. They're super hard to catch, so good thing John is an expert. Now let's see what Min's up to. Dinosaur Checkup Day is always a busy day down on Dino Ranch. Things can get mighty busy when a bunch of dinos catch the sniffles. Use your pen to find the items hidden in Clover's care cart. We have some bottles of medicine to help the dinosaurs kick that cold, and the dinosaur care book. Aw, Min is holding a baby dinosaur. According to Min's dino diagnosis, the eggs in the hatchery are almost ready. Use your pen to discover what type of dinosaur eggs the ranchers have. Aw, look at this Pachycephalosaurus. They have thick rounded domes of bones on their head that they use to headbutt their rivals in fights over mates and territories. This is a Compy egg. You already know about those feathery dinosaurs. There's a Brontosaurus just like Clover. This dinosaur has a really long neck, and it eats only plants. Its neck helps it reach high in the trees to get all those good leaves. This is a baby Triceratops. A dino fact is they have over 100 teeth that is replaced several times over its lifetime. This page looks fun. Stampede! A bunch of little dinosaurs have broken out and gotten loose. Use your pen to reveal all the dinos in the dust. It's a pterodactyl. I found a Compy. There's a Parasaurolophus. Oh, it's Teddy the pterodactyl. And we got one baby Patchy. Ooh, that dino looks serious. Runaway dinosaur! Let's saddle up. Ma reckons the best way to calm Angus is with a crispy turnip. Use your pen to find all the tasty turnips on this page. It's Jane and her dino quack. Let's help them calm this runaway dinosaur by collecting all the turnips. The ranchers have an unexpected guest. A T-Rex who is making off with dinosaur eggs right under the ranchers' noses. Use your pen to find the T-Rex's hiding spots and then the eggs that he has hidden along the way. Got it! Keep your eyes peeled! Are you guys ready for another dino fact? The Tyrannosaurus Rex has the biggest bite out of any known living animal, more than twice as powerful as a lion's bite. That is one dinosaur you don't want to mess with. This is the last page. That was some mighty fine dino wrangling. We couldn't have done it without you. Dino Ranchers, ride! Now use that pen one last time before you put it away until you're ready to do some more ranching. What a great day at Dino Ranch with Min and Clover, John and Blitz, and Miguel and Tango. The end. Oh, it worked. All the dinosaurs are asleep. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!